Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jojo for those who are new, and if this is the first time you're clicking on this video, kindly consider hitting the subscribe button below. So today is on Friday, and I thought since I'm not leaving the house, maybe we can hang out together. So we are having an online auction today, and I thought I'll take you guys along as I do that. And also I have a small mini pantry update, so I'll be showing you that first before we get to the online auction. So if you'd like to hang out with me today, continue watching. So if you remember from the video that I did 2 weeks ago, I did over my pantry, but there was this one area that was not quite organized as compared to the rest of the pantry. So it really bothered me a lot because everything was everywhere. There was no organization going on, and luckily enough, Viva Fashion reached out and they had some baskets that they wanted me to try out. So I went to their Instagram page to check out what they had, and I wanted something that was bright since my pantry is white and bright and airy, so I needed something that would gel with the whole look. But luckily for me, I got something that was bright and would match with my pantry, and I got these baskets. They are cream and gray, which goes perfectly with my pantry. And the best thing is I can put my label. Since I'm so addicted with labeling everything, I can put my label and stick it here. So what I love most about these baskets is it is very light for you to carry, and also it is strong, so at least you're sure anything that you're placing here, even if it's heavy, it's going to hold. And also it's very spacious, so you can put a lot of items that you have and it still look neat. I love how they fit perfectly in this one corner, because this is the corner that was looking disorganized, and I love the clean look that the basket has provided for my pantry, and the color, it has blended so well with the whole look of the pantry. What I love most about these baskets is that they are versatile, and I can also use them to store my cleaning detergents under the sink. The good thing is they're large enough to accommodate all my cleaning supplies, and also they fit perfectly under the sink. I did the online auction last week. If you've not watched the video, I'll link it in the cards above and also in the description box below. From that video, I got some inquiries, and I thought that I'll take part in this week's auction as I address them. There were some people who are unable to register on the site, so what I'm going to start with is I'm going to register afresh using a new account, and then I can take you guys through. So the website is www.eauctions.garam.co.ke. So I'm going to scroll down, come to this area written create account. So I'll click on the sign up for free button. Next, it will take me to a window where I'm supposed to input my email address. I'll choose my username, and then I'll do my name, full names. It requires a phone number, and then a password. And then at the bottom, after I've done everything, I'll click on the sign up button. So the next window, it opens the next window which says that my registration was successful, and I need to check my email so as to verify my email account. And if I want to participate in the auction, I'll have to deposit 10,000 to the pay bill number that they've given. So let me log into my email address and confirm, and then I can get back to the website. So after I've verified my email address, it will open a new window which has all this information. In today's auction, if you want to view the items that will be on sale, you're going to come here and click on the view catalog button. So it will take you to a new window where you'll have all the items that will be on sale today. So mostly they are doing salon items. So if you have a salon, or maybe you'd like to start a salon, this would be the option for you. So you're going to scroll down and see the items that are on sale. But remember, the viewing was done between 21st to 27th, which was yesterday. So this is everything that will be on sale today. And the auction will start exactly at 11 a.m. all the way to 1 p.m. So on the issue of how you get to remove your stuff from the auction center, you have to go with your own transport. So if you get anything from the auction center, you'll have to go with your own transport and get the stuff from there yourself. They do not deliver any items that they sell from the auction center. So another query was, if the 10,000 bob they ask you to deposit in your account, that amount is refundable within 48 hours after the auction is done. So worry not, your money, the 10,000, will be intact. You'll get it. Another query I was getting is if you can take your items to the auction center to be sold. Yes, you can, but you'll have to talk to the auctioneer and arrange for that to happen. How good are the items that are being auctioned? So for that, you have to go and view the items prior to the auction date. So at least you'll have known, you'll have seen, and you'll have touched the items, so that you can know, is this item worth spending cash on? So make sure you view the items way before, and they will have this information on their website. They will tell you when the viewing date is and the location. So make sure if you're interested in getting anything, you view first before you make a purchase. So tomorrow, which will be Friday, there'll be a bakery auction. So items that you'd use in a bakery, they'll be having an auction from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. still. So these are the items that will be on sale tomorrow. Eish. But they don't look to be in good condition. Eish, no. These ones, they don't look to be items that you can buy and use immediately. But anyway, if this is the kind of stuff that you're looking for, then you can always find stuff, this kind of stuff, from the auction. So this will be tomorrow. So that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you learned a thing or two. And if you did like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new, kindly hit the subscribe button below. So I'll see you on Friday. Bye.